You want to get one small souvenir from
Yeah,
your family?
I'll stay here 10.
It's very beautiful. You can pray on it also.
Yeah.
It's pray mat, like pray mat size.
Aşağı kapalı kapı yok.
Tamam.
Yeah, here, bro.
Yeah.
I can show you.
Yeah. How much is that?
This is 180 lira, bro. It is
Uh-huh.
with silk and cotton.
You have mixed nut?
Yes, mixed nuts. I
Wait,
have.
let me see.
Yes. You want to try it? You want to taste?
No, no, I'm fasting. I'm just I'm looking
This
for.
is mixed nut, brother.
Yeah.
Cashew,
Mm.
peanut,
Mm.
pistachio, hazelnut. If you want, I can put walnut from inside.
How much is that?
Yoksa var ya başka zaman olsa o psikolojiyi almazdım biliyor musun?
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Nasıl soruyorsunuz?
For you.
Fine, thank you.
Please look inside.
No, no, I'm just taking you some pictures. For your advertisement only, it will advertise. I'll put it in the YouTube, they will come to here. My
Inshallah.
guess. I'm a YouTuber actually.
Hi, brother.
Hi,
How are you?
fine, thank you.
You want to see some Turkish carpets?
Just take some video
We
for your
have,
carpets.
We have very special selection, brother. And nice cushion, beautiful Turkish carpets, good quality.
Yeah.
You want to get one small souvenir from
Yeah,
your
I'll
family?
come. I'll stay here 10 days. I will come.
Uh-huh. We have really nice wool carpets, good quality, you know, special ones. Turkish, we sell just Turkish made.
Original.
Yes. And also here you can see there is very fine ones. This is wool carpet, Turkish, and the double knotted. It's very beautiful. You can pray on it also.
Yeah.
It's pray mat, like pray mat size. It's very beautiful. Hand spun wool, good quality, and good prices. You know, we ask good prices for our production, our special production.
Thank you.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Before you go, you don't want to really go. So.
I will. I'll come again.
Okay. See you, brother.
Thank you.
Yok, ayakkabı vereyim. Ne vereceğim? Para. Ne? Para mı? Cipsi mi? Evet. O ne öyle?
Aşağı kapalı kapıyor.
Bunlar poşet.
Var mı balık?
Var.
Başkan. Sen abi diyor ki ben aramayayım bana cevap verme diyor. Güneşsiz çok kızır diyor.
He.
Nereye gidiyorsun? Yem.
It's Turkish cap, huh?
Yes. We have more inside. Can you
Ne var bu ne kadar? Biraz Bursa dosacı.
değil mi? Tamam. The payment.
How much is that payment?
You have 2 minutes? Can you?
Yeah. So many varieties of, huh?
Yeah. Here, bro.
Yeah.
I can show you.
Yeah. How much is that?
This is 180 lira, bro. It is
Uh-huh.
with silk and cotton. Very high quality.
Mm-hmm.
Very soft, very fine.
Okay.
We have a lot of design, a lot of colors. I have also cheaper than this. Can I show you some more?
Yeah,
Like
please.
this.
Let me see, because I'm not going to buy now. Before I leave, I'll come, because I'm just going down.
Yes.
I'll come up again.
Now I can make the price because you are the
Less
first-
than this, what you have? How much you said this one?
This is normally it is 240 lira.
Mm-hmm.
We sell 180 lira. But I have cheaper. This one 120 lira, another quality. This one another quality. And I have this quality, another one. Like this, bro. You can come. Look. This is another quality.
This is the hard.
This is a heavy one.
Mm.
That one is lighter one. Show you. We have three qualities. This is heavy one. Right?
Yeah, I can feel it.
This one is heavy one.
Mm.
Right now I can make you price. Maybe you buy right now. I make you very good price. Which one do you like? You are my first customer of the day. Really, business is very slow. I can make you price.
How much you can give this one last?
Which one, brother?
This one.
This one I have another color also. This is normally 180. I give 120. Okay, but it's also good quality. This one I have. How many you want, maybe?
I had only one only.
110 lira I can do, brother.
It's too expensive, my friend.
Are you sure expensive?
Yeah. Because I saw some upstairs, it's less.
But not this color. It is woven, look, see? Not printed. I know what
No,
you
no,
say.
no. I have seen it. It's woven only.
How much price?
Still less than 100. Less than 100. Yeah.
I know there are the here
No,
75.
not in this, the other market, grand market.
100 lira I can do, brother. 100.
I will come.
How much can you pay right now? How much you can now?
You tell me your last price.
How much you want to pay, brother? I don't say very expensive. This is double. You see here?
Yeah, it is true.
Made in Turkey. Look
I
here.
know, because
We
I
have
know.
this one, maybe like this one. Look, I show you what is the cheapest one. But this one, like this one. You see this one? This is embroidery, but this one is just one part. This was two parts. Okay. 90 I can do, brother, which is around 9 euro. Yeah, it's not a lot of money. 90 lira, but it's really good quality. In the wash, you will not have any problem. See here, and it is embroidery, not printed. If it's printed, price cheap will be. How much can you? 90 lira is still expensive.
Still, yeah, because
How much you have, seen, brother? I don't know.
this is just for the price I'm buying, right? Not for anything
Brother,
else.
pray, but there are the like this velvet one. This one is wash, any problem, no any problem. This is very important. We have also pray mat. One time you carry one day you are using just you full down. But this is good quality. That's why I say. Look at
Okay, I will check.
80. Okay.
No. It's expensive, my friend. Expensive. It's expensive.
Yarın evet çıkmadan sen Allah'ı istemeden beni bir ara. Sana. Tamam. Hadi görüşürüz.
You have mixed nut?
Sorry brother.
You have mixed nut?
Yes, mixed nuts. I
Wait,
have.
let me see.
Yes. You want to try? You want to taste?
No, I'm fasting. I'm
I'm
fasting.
sorry. Yes. This is mixed nut. This is all very special. Lux. Double special.
Not only this, no. I wanted the full, complete mixed one.
What?
You don't have not this one I'm looking
This
for.
is mixed nut, brother.
Yeah.
Cashew,
Mm.
peanut, pistachio, hazelnut. If you want, I can put walnut from inside.
How much is that kilo?
Kilo 150.
Well, wow, with this market is very expensive now.
This market, of course, very expensive. You know why? Because the quality is different. It's not like the other places.
Onu demek
We
istiyorum.
like the
Yani
expensive stuff, my friend. We don't like cheapest.
antiques that they have used in their costume.
Çay yok.
Çay, çiğ.
Neyi söyledin?
Çıkacak
No, I'm fasting. I'm fasting.
Ondan sonra ben de atlanamıyorum. Dedi ki Yalan Osman var. O zaman döndüm işte. Kadar sana çal demiştim ya.
Merhabalar. Öbür taraftan gel.